And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping with this custom 3-piece trim run glacier gray Stonehurst paver that was installed by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. When we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality, we give our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what happened on this landscape. And as you can see, these beautiful custom 3-piece trim run pavers has allowed for this customer to be able to take back over 300 square feet of their outdoor living experience. And it also allowed for them to no longer be conformed to this 10 by 10 area. What we've been able to do is give them an opportunity to utilize this space in the most appropriate way by just simply giving them a hardscape that's going to be able to last a lifetime. Now, when you work with trim run pavers, you know you're going to get one of the premium pavers in the industry, but it also ensures that you're going to be able to give your customer a solution that they can feel comfortable with for the rest of their lives as well. And that's what happened on this landscape. When you look at this beautiful custom 3-piece paver, we went with that glacier gray in order to accent the house. We're going to be coming back next week to put in a tiki bar. That's right, we got a 10 by 10 tiki bar that's going to be able to encase this area as well. But it does say that these are just some of the ways in which we continue to help our customers out, and we've been continuing to do so even through some of these tough times when we are more confined to our homes, or maybe we're just finding ourselves wanting to stay at home more. Now we're creating outdoor living experiences that are going to last a lifetime, that are going to invite you to have friends over, and it's going to make you feel good when they come over. And this is what we're doing. We're right here in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County in specific, and it says that these are the ways in which we're solving our customers' landscape problems, and one of the reasons why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And as you can begin to see this entire landscape shape itself out, these are just some of the things that we've been able to do over the last several weeks and months. But if you would, definitely subscribe and or make sure that you follow us on Facebook and or YouTube so that you can see more outdoor landscape transformations such as what you see now. And then also make sure that you tell a friend that may be looking for an outdoor landscape transformation that they don't have to look far. If you're in the Paulding County area, we'd definitely be glad to help you out and provide you with a free consultation so that you can begin to take on your outdoor landscape transformation as well. All brought to you exclusively by Brooks Landscaping, guys, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.